Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about there is a configuration file, how we can able to create a configuration file into our Locust and how we can able to use. Configuration file is required to some data to store there and like URLs and wrap up data and some values we can able to store in the file and we can able to reuse into that files. Okay, and how many ways we can able to create that file into our Locust means there are a couple of ways like home directory place we can able to create, and we can able to create a project directory, and we can able to create subdirectories place we can able to create, and environment setup we can able to do it, and we can able to create use directly into a command line. In command line we can able to pass those urls and all. Okay, these are 5 different ways we can able to pass it, and in this session I'm going to show you in the command line as well as subdirectories and main directory, these three different ways, because main times we are using for these three only. Okay, most of the time we are using these three formats. Command line we can able to pass, our subdirectories and main directory we are passing. These are main things we can able to use in Locust. That's the three type I'm going to showcasing here now. And here there is no host name for here, right? To passing for that entire URL and reading that location and exact where the file is reading or not to check, right? And I need to use for Locust is a directory. First I'll delete this one because and checking purpose I use now. Okay, now I'll first is command line. I'm going to show you how we can able to pass it. This is a command line method locust -f locust, which is a file directory dot hyphen host equal to the which is the URL you want to pass it. Okay, once you hit it will go to navigate into your browser. Once the local server is started, now you can see now if you using here you can check this one that the host is coming here, correct? It is taking 200 and also it is providing the 200 response. Okay, these are one kind of one. Another one is to creating the directory place, and this directory place I'm going to creating for a file called a locust.config. Okay, and I'm going to use for runtime settings, and I'm going to use for host equal to, and I'm going to pass for my URL name. This is my name, and I'm going to copy pasting this URL here. Okay, now again I'm going to open my terminal, and I'm going to use for this file location. This is a directory. Inside the directory my locust file is there. That directly I'm calling for a file using -config. If I'm hitting, again it will launch for the same local host, which is the one like we are using the host, right? That host only it will launch. Now again you can able to see here, you can able to enter. It is a coupon, it is taking the same URL. Okay, and also is a 200 is passing. This is a directory place, and also we can able to use the same one. We can able to use project directory place. Okay, now I'm in a outside of that project directory place. Even you can able to use now without any calling, and you can able to hit it now. Now again you can see still it is providing 200. But one thing you can see, right, when you provide the directory place, which is a local host config file, when you posting this file into directory place, you need to provide hyphen config, which is the directory we are passing that config file. Correct. When you are using this config file in outside of the directory, like inside the project, but outside of the normal directory, when you pass without passing any command, we are able to access for this host name. Correct. This is a main advantage into a project directory. Okay, if you are specifying the local configuration into your project directory place without calling without calling that particular host, you can every time you can able to call it for that file URL. No need to mention yes hyphen config. This is a file you have to come. No, not required. You can directly call by default the locust. It will call the configuration file which is presented into a project directory and it will access it. Okay, this all about for directories and configurations how we can able to access. There are another two is their home directory and environment setup directories, like we can able to set the environment variable there and we can able to access. That is not good practice to do that. And also home directory, when you do the CI/CD process, if you are storing somewhere and we are accessing that particular value, it is hitting or we don't know, right? That's a very useless things. And we can able to use a project directory or host command line. These three things it is enough to do for this testing. Okay, this all about for configuration in a low cost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.